Tony. Today we're going to teach you about weather safety. Do you guys know what to do in case of a tornado? Yes.
Yeah.
Do what?
Do you guys know what to do in case of a tornado?
Yeah, you get down like that.
Okay. Thank you.
Well,
We're going to demonstrate that.
Since they're so smart and know what to do. So, I don't know. It's a tornado right there.
Whoa, look at that tornado cover.
Better position. Oh, Phil, look at that tornado.
Oh man, it's coming right at us. What do we do?
We better get in that position.
Alright.
You're not doing it right.
Oh, what am I doing wrong?
Oh, yeah, that. You can't be by windows.
Oh, let's go downstairs.
Oh, yeah, we have to go downstairs. Oh, it's a Down and put our hands over our heads. So, this is the procedure to take when a tornado is coming.
Get away from windows.
Make sure you're always downstairs.
Find a safe place and put your hands on your head
It will be very life-saving.
so you won't die.